Here is Portable crying for his brother Bobrisky. You know, losing a brother is not an easy thing to lose a brother. So according to those who understand Yoruba, what he's singing here is that he lost a brother. He lost his brother to womanhood. You know, Bobrisky is in their brotherhood, but now he's no more with them. So that's why he's crying. He just rushed and made a video for Bobrisky. And look at it, Bobrisky is also dancing to the music that Portable made for her, or for him. I don't know, him or her. So just watch the video and laugh with me, please. He said your nyash be like apple.
You are the special brother.